So I just wanted to provide a quick review of my impression of these shocks after installing them. I will let you know right now that I did upgrade the shocks to the next higher series, and I will have a video on that in the next month or two. Anyway, these shocks are about $650. They come with a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee, which is pretty awesome. I think they're the only ones that do it. And I can say these are a big improvement over stock. The biggest thing you'll notice is that jolt over big bumps or sharp bumps that shoots up your spine. You do not feel that anymore. I feel for a lot of people, these would be all that they need. They really smooth out the bumps. They absorb little imperfections in the road. This is the shock that Harley should sell these bikes with. For $20,000 to $30,000, there's no excuse that Harley sells these bikes with the garbage suspension that they do. These are a high quality shock. They're made in the USA. They're all metal construction. They look cool. They're easy to adjust, no tools required, and they really make a big difference in the ride. And I do believe they make some difference in the handling because they do help keep the back tire in contact with the pavement, even over rough patches, whereas the stock shocks, as most of you guys know, they can skip and your tire can actually come off the ground. These control the movement much better. It's a great product. Again, the 30-day money-back guarantee was probably the biggest reason that I gave them a shot. And I did take advantage of it. I sent these back and upgraded to the next series. So again, that'll be in another video coming out in about the next month or so. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe if you haven't, hit the like, safe riding, take it easy.